Hey guys, Jonathan Graham here. Well, today I'll show you my latest design. This is a 4-piece diamond. I guess you could call it an icicle, but I call this model Orbital Reflector after a new satellite that was just launched into space that is called Orbital Reflector that actually inflates into a diamond shaped like this. And so this is from 4 squares of paper. This is from 6-inch squares. It has this nice sort of candy cane striped design if you use different colors, and I'll be showing you how to make that right now. So 6-inch square, this is a duo square. I've already made 3 of my units. You need 4 squares of paper. And I'm going to use the green side down in case, since I already have one of my other units is red. And you want to start with the white side up. We'll use the red for the white side. And you're going to simply fold it in half diagonally in both directions. Unfold, rotate, and fold the other way. Make sure you crease it sharply. Unfold, and now what we're going to do is we're going to hold it, position it so it's like this, and we're going to take the bottom right corner here and fold it so this edge lines up with the middle, and now we're going to rotate it 180 degrees so that this side goes to the middle as well. Make sure it goes right to the corner of your paper, like that. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take this edge and bring it to the middle again. The crease is going to go to the corner. And this is basically narrowing the length of our piece, narrowing the width, if you will. And then turn it 180 degrees and do the same on this side of the model as well. And next what we're going to do is we're going to fold this in half on this crease that's in the middle. I'm just going to turn it over here and do a mountain fold. Do a really sharp crease, it's quite thick here. Now we're going to make a crease going from, on this side here, going from this point, the center, to this corner. I'm folding this over, so I'm just going to start the crease here, and it goes right to the corner. Crease sharply, and now we're going to turn this over and wrap this little flap around this edge. Unfold this, fold the flap in, and fold this back down just for the moment. And now we're going to do the same on this side. Again, make a crease go from the center all the way to the tip. I'll just fold it here so you can see. Just unfold so you can see where the crease goes all the way through like that. Turn this over and this will wrap around this edge. And we're going to just open this up and tuck it in. And now we're going to fold the whole piece in half. Crease it really sharply, flatten everything good, and now open this up and open these up so they're about 90-degree angle from the rest of it, or a little more. And that's the finished unit. So you're going to make 4 of those. I have my other 2 here. These are just going to pull the flaps out a bit. There's 1. So you're going to make 4 of these units. So you're going to repeat that 4 times, if you will. So I've made my 4 units. And now to assemble the orbital reflector, it's slightly challenging, but it's not too difficult. I'll show you here. You're going to take these flaps with 2 pieces, and you're going to have these go on the outside. This will go on the outside, so that goes behind, and this one goes behind. So what you have is kind of, this is going to be a little tricky to show on camera, but it's not that hard to do once you know how it's done. You're going to fold these behind like this. That's 2 sides done, and now it's a little tricky for me to show here, but now you're going to add the 3rd one the same kind of way. Hold it kind of like a boat, like that, so it looks like a boat almost. These are on the outside. That stays folded under though. And now for the other ones, I'm just going to pull this up, unfold this a bit. I'll take the purple one here, and now again, the purple is going to go behind the yellow, and this yellow is going to go on top of this purple. So I'll put this one behind first, and the yellow goes, I'll actually put the yellow on top and the purple behind. So that's 3 units of our model done. So now we have 3 sides, and now I'm going to open these up a bit. And the last one is sort of the easiest, I guess. You're going to take this purple is going to go on top of this red, green. This green flap will go on top of the purple, and these 2 flaps here will go on top of here. So let me just try to show you this. See, it goes on top. They kind of like interlock like that. And you see the purple's not on top, so I'm just going to take the purple and very gently, ooh, this is really tricky to do on camera, very gently, there we go, put it on top. And now The green, as you can see, got stuck inside somehow. It's really hard to show this, I'm sorry, but I'll do that. This is really hard to show on camera, I'm sorry guys, but I'll do the best I can. So you have it like this. The models are fairly easy to make, but the actual finished assembly can be challenging, so just be warned. So they tuck that in, so the red is on underneath the purple of the green, sorry. This green goes on top of the purple and the red, and you can see how they sort of, and that finishes, and if you look at the end you can see, whoops, it is slightly delicate, so once it's all together it'll be fairly stable, and you can kind of straighten everything up in the center, and you can kind of see how, at the end of it better, how they overlap each other. And that finishes the model. Orbital Reflector from 4 squares of paper. It's fairly stable at this point, it's still slightly fragile just the way it goes together, but that is the finished piece. Hope you're able to make this one. If you're having trouble seeing how it goes together, you can just always watch again and follow along. But hope you enjoyed it. Remember to rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video tutorial.